Is your Spectrum TV app's channel guide blank, missing listings, or displaying errors like guide unavailable? Don't worry, you're not alone. A common reason this happens is issues with data delivery to the app. Let's go through some quick fixes to get you back on track. First, ensure your Spectrum TV app is up to date through your device's app store. Next, check your internet connection. Spectrum recommends a minimum of 25 megabit per sec for HD guides. If your connection is stable, force quit the app and restart your device to clear any temporary glitches. Clear the app's cache and data in the settings. Try logging out and back into your Spectrum account or reset your password. For Roku, try reinstalling the app. On smart TVs, double-check HDMI connections and update the TV's firmware. Most guide issues are resolved within 24 hours using these steps. If problems persist, escalate the issue with Spectrum support via the app or by calling 1-800-SPECTRUM. The Spectrum TV app guide uses electronic program guide data, which is a real-time feed of TV listings and schedules. Problems often stem from data synchronization lags between Spectrum servers and your app, or API dependencies that fail during high traffic. Looking ahead, Spectrum is using AI to improve the guide. AI will predict what you like to watch and load those listings preemptively, reducing loading times. This should also reduce guide-related problems by automatically correcting data errors. Spectrum plans to roll out voice-guided troubleshooting. Edge computing is also being explored for local guide caching, improving reliability in rural areas with spotty connectivity. With FCC oversight, apps like Spectrum's may face stricter uptime requirements, pushing for 99.9% availability. These innovations are predicted to reduce guide complaints by 25% by 2026.